Mobile app development is the present and the future. If you're looking to enter or upgrade your stance in the iPhone and iPad app marketplace, then this is the course for you. My name is Jason, and I'll be guiding you through this journey of techno improvement. We'll learn the latest Xcode, the cutting-edge Swift 2 programming language, as well as the new and exciting iOS 9 operating system for the Apple suite of mobile products. In this course, you can go from knowing no code to being able to confidently code any app you can dream of. We'll cover the basics of Swift 2 and the more in-depth concepts and frameworks developed for the Apple iPhone and iPad. You'll learn to code about 10 different apps, each teaching you something new. This is core code development taught in a style where you effortlessly learn the concepts. Want to learn how to add images using core data? It's in here. How about add a web page to your app? Or how about a map? We've got you covered. From the basics to high-level code, you'll learn how to code the app of your dreams, and you'll be able to put it in the App Store if you want. With nearly 18 hours of video content and counting, this course never stops. Student suggestions quickly make their way to the new topics, and support is always just a click away. You've made it this far. Take the time to invest in yourself and your future.